Introducing the Competition Series from Pit Boss Grills. Built to impress judges in your backyard, this line of grills was designed to deliver award-winning barbecue, no matter your experience level. These units come outfitted with blue ribbon upgraded features, including an all-new embossed roll-top lid that makes opening your grill safe and easy even at the highest temperatures. With our new removable undermount burn pot, it makes cleaning out your burn pot easier than ever. The Competition Series is able to offer even more cooking space than ever before. These grills come standard with the famous Pit Boss 8-in-1 cooking versatility, allowing you to smoke, bake, braise, roast, grill, barbecue, and char grill and sear, all in one machine. Using our flame broiler lever, you can achieve instant direct or indirect heat in 5-degree increments with a convection temperature range between 85 and 260 degrees Celsius. The Competition Series comes outfitted with a Wi-Fi controller so you can easily monitor internal meat temperature, adjust grill temperatures, and track fuel level from the convenience of your mobile device or via the digital LCD screen. Additional features of the new upgraded controller include indication icons that allow you to see your input units working, as well as the ability to increase the intensity of smoke and prime button to jumpstart a new unit. Produce real wood taste with large pellet hoppers that contain an easy access cleanout system. The Competition Series by Pit Boss Grills allow you to grill confidently for whomever will be tasting the flavors you produce. Backed by the Pit Boss best-in-class 5-year warranty.